Dear students, technology has regressed enormously in the past few decades, and today computers are an integral part of our lives. The use of multimedia and internet technologies has significantly changed the way we study, work, and play. Responding positively to this lifestyle change, schools have made computer education an integral part of the curriculum at all levels. So, dear students, from today we are going to start our new lesson of our new subject, Information Technology. And today's topic is Know Your Friend Computer. Hello, children. Let me introduce myself. I am a computer, a smart machine. Do you know what is machine? A machine is a man-made thing which helps us work faster and makes our life easier. In your daily life, you must have seen many things like hills, butterfly, fruits, house, bed, doll. We can separate them in two parts, natural or man-made. Natural things means which things created by directly Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and other things like jam, umbrella, doll, house, bed, lunchbox are created by human beings with the help of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Like this, a machine is a man-made thing which helps us work faster and makes our life easier. In your daily life, you must have seen many machines. Some machines work on electricity and some machines do not work on electricity. For example, refrigerator, AC needs electricity to work, but a pair of scissors, bicycle does not need electricity to work. I am also a machine. A computer is a machine which also works on electricity. It helps us to do many things such as draw pictures. It means we can draw pictures using computer, solve sums, watch videos, store data, and we can do homework also with the help of computer. Nowadays, we see a computer that can be carried anywhere. It is called a laptop. It runs on battery. We can do everything that we can do with a computer, such as drawing pictures, solve sums, watching videos, storing data, and we can do many things, and we can do homework also on computer also and on laptop also. So, dear students, in this lesson we have learned many things about computer. So watch the video carefully and try to understand it, and thanks for watching our video.